teach us step by step a paper-based accounting and reporting system.
While I understand your desire to set up a paper-based accounting system, I strongly recommend considering a digital alternative due to several drawbacks of paper-based systems, especially for a growing school. Drawbacks of paper-based systems. Prone to errors. Manual data entry is error-prone, leading to inaccurate reports and potential misuse of funds. Time-consuming. Manually managing expenses, income, and reports takes significant time and effort, diverting resources from educational activities. Limited access. Paper records are accessible only in one location, hindering collaboration and transparency. Difficult to scale. As the school grows, managing paper records becomes increasingly cumbersome and inefficient. Security concerns. Physical documents are vulnerable to loss, damage, and unauthorized access. Digital alternatives. Free and open source accounting software like New Cash or Manager offers similar functionality but with improved accuracy, efficiency, and accessibility. Cloud-based accounting solutions like Google Sheets or Zoho Books provide additional features like collaboration and automatic backups. However, if you insist on a paper-based system, here's a basic outline. Step 1. Define accounts. List all income and expense categories, e.g., donations, teacher stipends, books, utilities. Create separate ledger accounts for each category, bound notebooks or dedicated ledgers. Step 2. Develop transaction records. Design simple forms for recording transactions, date, payee, payer, amount, category. Use carbon copy paper to create duplicates for record keeping. Step 3. Record transactions daily. Record every income and expense chronologically in assigned ledgers. Maintain consistent formatting and handwriting for clarity. Step 4. Reconcile records monthly. Compare total transactions in each ledger with bank statements and receipts. Identify and correct any discrepancies. Step 5. Prepare reports manually. Summarize income and expenses from each ledger for a specific period. Calculate totals and create narrative reports manually. Additional considerations. Implement internal controls like dual signatures for large transactions. Securely store documents in a fireproof location. Backup records regularly, e.g., photocopying. Remember, this is a simplified overview, and managing a school's finances requires proper accounting knowledge and best practices. Strongly recommend exploring digital alternatives for their inherent advantages in accuracy, efficiency, and scalability. They can significantly simplify your financial management and free up resources to focus on your school's core mission. Google Sheets chart of accounts example for your school. Here's an example chart of accounts template in Google Sheets for your school, along with some sample data. Sheet name, chart of accounts. Account number, account name, account type, description, sample data, January 2024. 1100, cash on hand, asset, petty cash used for small purchases, $200. 1200, bank accounts, asset, school's main checking and savings accounts, $5,000. 1300, inventory, asset, school supplies, textbooks, etc., $1,000. 2100, donations, revenue, individual and corporate donations, $2,000. 2200, grants, revenue, government or NGO grants, $3,000. 3100, teacher stipends, expense, monthly stipends for volunteer teachers, $1,500. 3200, utilities, expense, electricity, water, etc., $200. 3300, books and supplies, expense, textbooks, stationery, etc., $300. 3400, other expenses, expense, miscellaneous expenses, $100. Recording transactions. 1. Create separate sheets for income and expenses. Each sheet should have columns for date, description, amount, account number, and payment method. 2. Record every income and expense transaction in the respective sheet, entering the corresponding account number based on your chart of accounts. 3. Use formulas to automatically sum up income and expenses for each month or quarter. Reporting. 1. Create reports by filtering and summarizing data in the income and expenses sheets. 2. Use pivot tables to analyze transactions by category, date, or other criteria. 3. Generate charts and graphs to visually represent financial performance. 4. Create narrative reports explaining financial activity and highlighting key trends. Benefits of using Google Sheets. Accessible and collaborative. Multiple users can access and edit the spreadsheet simultaneously. Automatic calculations. Formulas ensure accurate calculations and reduce manual errors. Charts and graphs. Visualize financial data for better understanding. Data filtering and sorting. Easily analyze specific transactions or categories. Free and user-friendly. No additional software required, with intuitive interface. Remember, this is a basic example. You can customize the chart of accounts and reporting system to fit your specific needs. Consider seeking guidance from an accountant or financial professional for more complex setups. Additional tips. Regularly reconcile bank statements. Ensure bank records match transactions recorded in Google Sheets. Use descriptive names for transactions. This helps track specific expenses and donations. Back up your data regularly. Avoid losing important financial information. Automate tasks. Explore tools like add-ons to automate data entry and reporting. By adopting a digital accounting system like Google Sheets, you can ensure transparent and efficient financial management for your school, allowing you to focus on your core mission of educating underprivileged children.